What's the meaning of agent? Agent. 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 The term agent usually refers to a person or entity that acts on behalf of another person or organization. An agent may have the power to make decisions, sign contracts, and take actions that affect their clients' interests. Agents are often used in business, law, and real estate transactions, but can also exist in other contexts such as intelligence agencies. The role of an agent is to represent and promote the interests of their client while following a set of rules and guidelines. In short, an agent is a representative who acts in the best interest of their client.